We are perform range of motion. Ganon. Like hyperextension. Flexion, extension, 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 hyperextension. Next, side to side. One, two, three, 4, 5. Next, rotation counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Late mo pa rin.
And rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Body down. Paano ba yung body? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, body side, right and left. Next, body and left and right. Next, face and body. Nauna na yung next face. Next, clock to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Kabila. 2,
Wow, mga ipag na yun.
5. Hands flip. Ay, hands. Paano ba yung hands? 1, ay. Next, shoulder up flexion. Starting position. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Ganun. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Okay, number abduction, horizontal. Starting position, fly and flexion, extension, hyperextension. 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 Next, fly and up, external rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, starting position, elbow, up and down. Elbow. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Extension, hyperextension. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Next, elbow, internal rotation. Flexion, internal external rotation, external rotation, external rotation, external rotation, external rotation, external rotation, internal rotation, external rotation, internal rotation, external rotation. Next, arm, wrist, up and down. Ah, flexion, extension, hyperextension. 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 Next, so, arm London. Ulnar deviation, radial deviation. Ulnar deviation, radial deviation. Ulnar deviation, radial deviation. Ulnar deviation, radial deviation. Ulnar deviation, sabayan nyo. Ulnar deviation, radial deviation. Ulnar deviation, radial deviation. Ulnar deviation, radial deviation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm close and okay. Enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next. Arm abduction. Ano ba yung arm abduction? Ganon? Ay, 1, 2. Ay, hindi. Ano? Paano ba yun? Paano ba yun? Ay, ganon. Abduction. 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 Pag ganon. Ganon mo yung kamay mo. Yung wrist pa ganyan.
Papalihin ko yan.
Yan, ganyan ah. Yan. Abduction. Tapos na po.